Hello students, how are you? Today we are going to write summative assessment for the unit Space and Earth. Жетінші сыныптарға арналған Space and Earth тақырыбында тапсырмаларды орындайтын боламыз. Task 1. Reading. Read the text and answer the questions. For example, is Pluto no longer a planet? Yes, it is. Let's read the text. Dwarf is a very little star. Many people are saying that Pluto is no longer a planet. National Geographic News says that according to the International Astronomical Union, a full planet is an object that orbits the Sun and is large enough to have become round due to the force of its own gravity. Because Pluto doesn't meet these standards, the International Astronomical Union classifies Pluto as a dwarf planet. Not everyone agrees that this is a good way to decide though. Andy Chang, a planetary scientist at Johns Hopkins University, says that the new rules aren't clear enough and asks the questions. How round is round? I'll still continue to maintain that Pluto is a planet, he said. Owen Gingerich is an astronomer and historian at Harvard University at Cambridge. He favors a special distinction for Pluto. He supported a proposal to call the big eight planets classical planets as opposed to just plain planets and Pluto and the other dwarf planets. He believes that reclassifying Pluto as a dwarf planet is not sensitive to the historical and cultural role that Pluto has played. The argument continues. What do you think it is? So the first question, what planet is a full planet? A full planet is an object that orbits the Sun and is large enough to have become round due to the force of its own gravity. Next question, is Pluto the only dwarf planet? No, it is not. Next, how many classes of planets are according to the astronomer? There are 2 classes of planets. Next, task 2. Connect numbers and letters. Find the right pictures. Дұрысын табуымыз керек. Choose one. Comets. It is B. A small frozen mass of dust and gas revolving around the Sun. It is picture C. Next, craters. They are holes made when a large moving rock hits the moon. It is picture A. The last one is moon. It is B. It is A. яғни it is A. A. It is the largest object you can see in the night sky. It is picture B. Міне moon деген бізде ол I. So we have finished it. Goodbye.